Hi everyone, I'm Ron from WISNet Hong Kong. Welcome to WISNet Hong Kong YouTube channel. This is our fourth MicroPython tutorial for W55MH32. Today, we will talk about I2C. If you wanted to know more about how to install MicroPython for W55MH32, you could watch our previous short videos. The links will be in the description below. In W55MH32, there are two I2C channels. And where is it located? We need to go to w5500.com. So in w5500.com, go to the pin description. You could find that in the top left of the pin description, it shows the first I2C channel that is connected with PB6 and 7. And the second one will be connected to PB10 and PB11. Today, we will focus on the first channel, I2C1, PB6 and PB7. Why? Because these two pins has connected to one of our inboard temperature and humidity sensor through I2C. And this sensor is called AHT20. If you wanted to know more about it, please go to our .wisnet.io and check on the reference schematic. In the reference schematic, scroll down to page 2. It shows the AHT20 module has connected to PB6 and PB7, and PB6 is connected with the clock and PB7 has connected to the data. Okay, let's try to write some scripts. For W55MH32, the I2C is in the machine module. So we need to, from machine, import I2C, pin as well. And then we just simply create a variable called I2C, call I2C module, and then put 1. As I mentioned, this has connected to channel 1. So let's test it right now. Print I2C, and then we scan to try to find thus the AHT20 has been connected to these two pins, and then run the script. It shows 56, so 56 and others. So which one will be AHT20? Let's check on a library that I've used it for AHT20. So where can I find this library? Actually, we had put all our reference scripts in this documentation website as well. Go to I2C. You could find the library for AHT. Click the GitHub link, and then scroll down. You could find the I2C address for AHT10 or 20 is using the same. In hex is 38. So by typing 38 in hex, you can see decimal is in 56. So I'm pretty sure that the AHT20 has connected to I2C channel 1. Okay, so let's try to implement the AHT library as well. As you could see in this section, I already download the AHT library and already install it into MicroPython's Flash. So I just need to import AHTX0, and then it should work. But I also need to add a timer. This timer module, the software one, I will just use that for delay so we could see the result easily. And now I need to do is create a sensor variable, and then has been connected with the AHT library, and I just call AHT20. After that, I just need to put I2C into it. Back to the library. If I want to operate it properly with this library, I need to import the I2C into it. Okay. After that, we need to create a while loop to just continuously to get those data, and then set temperature, sensor, and then call the temperature temperature function inside the inside the library, and then humidity, and then to the sensor relative humidity. After that, I just need to print it out, and then we could check, are we doing the in the correct path. F temperature, and then TMP, 51 format like this, and then I just put a C to make sure it's a Celsius. Yeah, by the way, something I need to mention as well. In the library, I will use these two property functions. For humidity, it shows in percentage, and in temperature, is shown in Celsius. So as you can see, if I print the temperature, I'll just put a Celsius symbol for easy understanding, and humidity we do in the same way. Print humidity bracket 5.1. And then percentage H close. After that, I just make a separate line to separate all the data, and then times 28. After that, time sleep for 2 seconds. Let's try to run the script. As you can see, the temperature and humidity results are coming out right now. If I just press the sensor, the temperature and humidity start increasing. And I release it, starting to decrease. So it shows the I2C is working and also could communicate with the AHT20 module. So this is how the I2C works in W55MH32. In the future, we will create more kinds of MicroPython tutorial for W55MH32. Thank you for watching.